For years, voice assistants operated like incredibly fast, blind factory workers. They could execute a command perfectly, but only inside a perfectly isolated box. The limitation was context. They had no visibility into what you were looking at on your screen, what email you just read, or what you were doing in another app. Giving an AI the context required to understand your daily life creates a massive problem. To be genuinely helpful, an assistant needs access to your most intimate data, which makes it a major security liability. Apple's approach with iOS 27 introduces a system orchestrator that allows the AI to tap directly into the Spotlight Index and App Toolbox to solve this exact paradox. This update equips the entire digital ecosystem with a set of senses, allowing it to understand your personal context while keeping your data locked within a new privacy architecture. The first digital sense this architecture introduces is memory. Siri can now extract and connect details from completely different applications. The system bridges previously isolated app walls. It parses old emails for a hotel confirmation number and scans text messages to surface a restaurant recommendation. This context persists across your entire digital footprint. The structural hub making this persistence possible is a dedicated Siri app. It functions as a centralized center for all of your conversational history. This application then uses iCloud to privately sync that conversational history. The context flows from your laptop directly to your wrist. The result is an intelligence layer that follows you continuously, rather than an assistant trapped on a single piece of hardware. Moving from internal memory to external sight, the system gains on-screen awareness. The AI actively reads your current display. It scans a text about a potluck and immediately adds a recipe to your Notes app. This awareness also extends into the physical world through the camera, utilizing visual intelligence. You can point the camera at a physical receipt to split a bill with a friend using Apple Cash, or frame a plate of food to extract its nutritional data. This capability scales up to spatial computing. Users can invoke the assistant by looking at a 3D visualization floating in their physical space. Giving the system sight reduces the boundary between your digital task list and the physical environment around you. The final piece is agency. The system can execute tasks system-wide, like using integrated writing tools to draft emails that match the specific tone and punctuation you normally use with a recipient. But an AI with the ability to read your screen and write your emails creates a significant security risk if that data is processed on a public server. The solution is private cloud compute. On-device models handle daily tasks locally.
For heavy lifting, data travels to a remote server, is processed in an isolated environment, and is never stored. To verify this privacy promise, the servers are designed to be continually auditable by outside experts. This architecture proves that you can run a contextual, capable AI without surrendering your personal data to corporate server farms. The assistant is no longer a discrete application you summon. It acts as a systemic orchestrator woven into the hardware. By allowing information to bridge the gap between separate applications, the system reduces the friction of switching between isolated interfaces. Instead of manually operating a device through individual apps, the interaction moves toward a collaborative model where the user provides the intent and the system provides the execution. Apple has laid down a clear challenge for the industry, proving that multimodal AI features can exist harmoniously with user privacy. Ultimately, Siri AI pairs system-wide awareness with a privacy architecture that hides user data even from the servers processing the requests.